Hey, what's up, everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Today's going to be a short one, really strapped on time, but I wanted to show you this sweet 21 GT automatic Roush Supercharged dyno pull where we did a couple extra mods over the Roush Phase 2 kit. I have Doug with me. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us up to date. But Doug, let's just get right to this so I can move on to the next build. But here's what we have. 21 GT Auto 93 octane. It's a TVS, it's a 2650 Supercharger. You've seen a lot of videos on these, and I will put a link at the end where we can read a little bit more, about the other cars we build. They typically make, most of the time, about 650 to the tires, but we added a couple extra mods on this to get it over 700 real horsepower. We went down a pulley size. So we have the VMP 3.0 pulley on there. It's coming in about 13 pounds of boost, and the client also wanted a snow meth injection system, so we installed that. We have a set of stainless power long tube headers. But besides that, it's the Phase 2 kit with those upgrades. And of course, we did build oil pump gears, rear cylinder head cooling kit, but that's right there. Don't forget, in the description, I will put links so you can read more about this kit, and you wonder what it costs to get installed, or what do these other upgrades cost to get installed. Simply email quote@brenspeed.com. But it's a good way to get that thing up over 700 real horsepower through the auto. Check out this dyno pull. Look, DynoJet SAE 701 real horsepower, peaking at 7,400. Torque comes in at 547, peaking at 6,100 through the automatic. Again, this is 93 octane. I just want to show you this car real quick because a lot of you have the Phase 2 Roush Supercharger and you're like, what's the next step? Well, like this client did, you add the 3.0 pulley, do the meth injection system, set of long tube headers, sweet setup. This kit out of the box will put a stock automatic Mustang with sticky tires, 18 and up, down into the 10s in the quarter mile. And this is just gonna make it a little bit quicker. So hey, I hope you liked that video. Sorry it's so quick, I got a lot going on. But I'm Brent, if you have any questions, please leave a comment, I'm happy to answer. Description, I'll have links. Email quote, as always, quote@brenspeed.com, and say what's it cost to get installed. Give us a call, 574-594-9559. We are located in Indiana. Thanks for watching.